Are you looking to invest in India's booming infrastructure sector? If so, here are some of the top infrastructure stocks to keep an eye on in 2025. Larsen & Toubro LT. LT is a diversified conglomerate that excels in engineering, procurement, and construction across critical sectors like infrastructure and defense. With a strong track record and expertise in the field, LT is a promising stock to consider for your investment portfolio. Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, RVNL, is another significant player in the infrastructure sector, focusing on the construction of rail infrastructure. As India continues to expand its railway network, RVNL stands to benefit from the growing demand for rail infrastructure. If airport infrastructure is of interest to you, then GMR Airports Infrastructure LT is a stock worth considering. Specializing in airport infrastructure, the company has shown strong market performance and is well positioned to capitalize on the increasing air travel in India. IRB Infrastructure Developers Limited is known for its projects in the roads and highways sector. With India's ongoing focus on improving its road infrastructure, IRB Infrastructure Developers Limited could be a lucrative investment opportunity. Additionally, NBCC India Limited engages in project management consultancy, engineering, procurement, and construction, making it a versatile player in the infrastructure sector. It's important to note that the Indian government has allocated substantial funds to infrastructure projects through initiatives like the National Infrastructure Pipeline, NIP. This initiative aims to boost the sector significantly, presenting ample opportunities for investors and companies involved in infrastructure development. Whether you're considering investing in these top infrastructure stocks or have a specific project in mind, the Indian infrastructure sector is ripe with potential for growth and investment. Keep a close watch on these stocks as India's infrastructure story continues to unfold in the coming years.